Dear students, in the last video we discussed the brainstorming activities of the poem Song of the Open Road. In this video lecture, let's complete the remaining activity. Activity 4, question number first. Read the expression old delicious burdens. A burden cannot be delicious. The poet has used this combination of words to express that he has many sweet memories of the people and places which he would like to remember forever. The poet has used seemingly contradictory expressions to convey the meaning that his heart is full of sweet memories of good and kind people. Though he wants to be free from any type of attachment, he wants to cherish these sweet memories in his heart forever. The expression contains opposite ideas that make it seem absurd or unlikely, although it may be true. This is called paradox. What is paradox? Paradox म्हणजे विरोधाभास, contradiction. A situation or statement with two or more parts that seem strange or impossible together. परस्परात विचित्र किंवा अशक्य वाटणाऱ्या अशा दोन किंवा अधिक भागांचे विधान किंवा अशी परिस्थिती म्हणजे विरोधाभास. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, सेव्ह मनी बाय स्पेंडिंग इट म्हणजे खर्च करून पैसे वाचवा. एकीकडे खर्च आणि दुसरीकडे वाचवा हे दोन अपोजिट वर्ड्स इथे आलेले आहेत, म्हणजेच कॉन्ट्रॅडिक्शन दाखवलेलं आहे, म्हणजेच विरोधाभास, पॅराडॉक्स. नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल, दिस इज द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द एंड. बिगिनिंग आणि एंड इथे सुद्धा कॉन्ट्रॅडिक्टरी वर्ड्स आहेत हे दोन्ही, म्हणून इथे सुद्धा पॅराडॉक्स हा फिगर ऑफ स्पीच आहे. नेक्स्ट, द सेकंड सेंटेन्स इज फॉल्स, द फर्स्ट सेंटेन्स इज ट्रू. याचा अर्थ होतो दुसरे वाक्य खोटे आहे, पहिले वाक्य खरे आहे. फॉल्स आणि ट्रू पुन्हा इथे दोन अपोजिट वर्ड्स आहेत आणि म्हणून इथे सुद्धा पॅराडॉक्स हा फिगर ऑफ स्पीच झाला आहे. अ पॅराडॉक्स कॅन हॅव पॉझिटिव्ह ऑर निगेटिव्ह कनोटेशन्स, कॅन बी यूज्ड इन रायटिंग ऑर स्पीच. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The road in the poem does not mean only the road to travel. The poet wants to suggest the road of life. Explain the metaphor with the help of the poem. What is metaphor? Metaphor म्हणजे रूपक. Metaphor is just like simile in which two different objects are compared, but comparison is not shown with any word. When we say he fought like a lion, we use a simile. But when we say he was a lion in the fight, we use a metaphor. आता या कवितेतलं उदाहरण आहे. या पोएममधली फर्स्ट लाईन, अ फूट अँड लाईट हार्टेड आय टेक टू द ओपन रोड. द रोड हॅज बीन इनडायरेक्टली कम्पेअर टू द रोड ऑफ लाईफ. म्हणजेच हा रस्ता केवळ प्रवास करण्याचा रस्ता नाही, तर कवीला जीवनाचा रस्ता सुचवायचा आहे. म्हणजेच इथे काय आहे, मेटाफर फिगर ऑफ स्पीच आहे. Next example, still I carry my old delicious burdens. Delicious burdens is implicitly compared with memories, so it is also metaphorical expression. Next, free verse. Free verse is a poetry that does not rhyme or have a regular rhythm. म्हणजे फ्री वर्स ही अशी कविता आहे की ज्यामध्ये यमक किंवा नियमित लय नसते. The features of free verse are: it is a literary device that is free from limitations of regular meter or rhythm, does not rhyme with fixed form, and still it provides an artistic expression. In this way, the poet can give his own shape to a poem as he desires and use various poetic devices to create the effect he considers suitable for the piece. म्हणजेच फ्री वर्स इज अ लिटररी डिव्हाइस दॅट कॅन बी डिफाईन्ड ॲज पोएट्री दॅट इज फ्री फ्रॉम लिमिटेशन्स ऑफ रेग्युलर मीटर or rhythm and does not rhyme with fixed forms. As free verse gives greater freedom for choosing words and conveying their meanings to readers, it is free from artificiality of a typical poetic expression. This technique is commonly used in modern poetry. Next activity. There are certain words that are repeated in the poem. For example, no more, line number 7. Find out other similar expressions. Explain the effect they have created in the poem. So we can see in the first stanza the words good fortune, and in the last stanza carry them, and in the last line of the poem the word feel is used repeatedly. These words are used repeatedly to create a rhythm and bring attention to an idea. Next activity. The use of personal pronoun I is evident and prominent in this poem. Give reasons. This poem is a personal poem. The poet has presented his perspective towards the world. The word I underlines his independence and freedom. The word I also asserts his confidence in self and his determination to live his life on his own terms. Hence, the word I is evident and prominent in this poem.